I'll make a presentation on Hastega challenge for general purpose GPU on Elixir. My name is Susumu Yamazaki. Call me Zaki. I came from Japan over whole one day to make this presentation on Hastega. My experience of Elixir is only 1 year. Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah, maybe. Oh, really? I'm sorry. Yay! Back. Okay, Hastega. Yeah. My name is, do you remember? Okay? Okay? Okay. I came from Japan. We are Fukuoka EX. In Fukuoka, Kyushu, Japan, about 300 engineers join it. We are 3 samurais from Fukuoka EX. Hey, stand up. Like the 3 musketeers. We'll show you our spirit of samurai and Zen. Hey! I'll show you our motivation. This graph shows is reported by Cisco. X shows year, and Y shows amount of data. 55 exabytes in 2013. It's growing exponentially. So this graph shows data explosion has come. We need more power. But this graph is reported in a book of computer architecture. X is year, and Y is clock rate. This point is 2003. This graph shows evolution of CPU clock became over 15 years ago. So this, please see these tables. This is Intel Core 2 in 2006. This is Intel Core i9 in 2017. CPU clocks haven't grown, but number of cores is growing rapidly. So number of cores is growing, but CPU clocks haven't grown. So it requires parallel computing to us. But we have no effective parallel programming language. Multi-threaded programming is too early to be used correctly, except Elixir. Long distance. The world with destructive update is dystopia. Their work becomes dystopia. I show the reason of dystopia. Suppose some data are shared with some cores. If a core updates the shared data, then it notifies other cores and they stop processing. It causes slowdown. If there are many cores, waiting time grows exponentially. It causes dystopia. Elixir is a drastic solution because Elixir is immutable. That is, it forbids all updates of shared data. Thus, the other cores don't need to stop processing. This graph is shown in this paper. This graph is request per second versus this response time in microsec. Red line is Java, and the blue line is Elixir. Java is defeated by highly frequent requests, more than 1,200 requests per second, but Elixir endures highly frequent requests, less than 1,800 requests per second. This shows Elixir and Phoenix are the most promising solution for the data explosion problem. In 2016, Jose creates Pro. It's not a magic said by Jose, but I think it's quite marvelous, fantastic magic. This code shows single processing code with enum and multiple processing code with flow. CPU and I/O-bound works will be parallelized and accelerated by multi-core CPUs. So Elixir got the stylish and powerful parallel computing technology. After a few years, this graph is reported by IDC. 40 zettabytes in 2020, and the other photo, 118 zettabytes in 2025. More pessimistic prediction of data explosion, this shows. So, to summarize our motivation, I have a question. Will Elixir and Phoenix be really enough for the future data explosion? So we propose our solution, Hastega. Hastega. It's a magic, the highest evolved magic to accelerate our party in Final Fantasy, stronger than haste. It will be the highest evolved technology to accelerate our machines in the Elixir ecosystem. So it's inspired by Pro. Ho! Thank you, thank you. Let's cast a spell of Hastega on Samurai. This graph shows the performance of prototype of Hastega. Blue bar is Elixir on floor, and red bar is Hastega. Y means execution time in second. Hastega is 4 to 8 times faster than Elixir using flow, and also faster than PMAP. Then, 3 times faster than Python with GPU. Then, only a little slower than native code. Whew! Dead heat. Overwhelming effectiveness of Hastega, like a berserk samurai. By the way, which is better, recursive call and enum map? Enum map is simpler. It's like Zen. Zen is essential beauty. The essential of programming is data transformation. So enum map describes only data transformation. So this is the reason of enum map is Zen. this is comparison. The code A, B, and C are equivalent. A is in the loop style in Java. B is in the recursive call style. And C is using enum map. Loop operation describes the flow of processing, loop counter, and destructive updates, so it is not Zen. And recursive call describes not data transformation, but flow of processing. It is not Zen. But we propose to call it the Elixir Zen style to write in enum map. It is a good programming custom because it's more readable and maintainable. This is Elixir Zen style. Then what will happen? This graph shows performance evaluation of enum map and recursive call. In Elixir on RMVM, the Elixir Zen style is 20% slower than recursive call. It's Zen, but not samurai. It will cause dystopia. Hastega will make the Elixir Zen style code faster by casting the spell it on samurai to be berserk, that is to be transformed into the fastest native code using all computing resources, not only much-core CPUs with SIMD instructions, but also GPUs. We feel it wabi-sabi. Inspiration from enum map. This code has a potential of 1 million parallelism because each element will be transformed by the combination function of foo and bear. There are no dependency between each other. This is GPU. This photograph is too old GPU. But the state-of-the-art GPUs have 3,000 SIMD cores with 1.5 gigahertz clocks. So ideation principle of Hastega. It can be transformed SIMD native core such as OpenCL, which drives much core CPUs and GPUs easily. To write Hastega code is simple. All you have to do is to write def Hastega with a do block to include the def blocks you want to optimize. Performance of Hastega from Zen is much better than recursive call. Hastega makes the most beautiful code to be transformed the fastest. It's demo time. I'm sorry I can't tell you details in English well, but I believe common language for us is Elixir. Please feel our passion from Elixir code. This is command line. Here is a prototype of enum map, Hastega. なんだこれだ OK. This is a project. A little older Elixir version. This uses flow and Raster, and this is assembler in working progress. I'm developing now. this is code of logistic map. Okay. This here is a document, but in the Japanese, this document shows parallel programming. No. Introduction of parallel programming by flow and gain stage. This benchmark using logistic map, this equation. So in Elixir, this code, okay? It's okay? Okay. それで、なんだっけ。inlining, many benchmarks, many benchmarks. Okay. So I compile mix run logistic map なんだっけベンチマーク1 here. This means benchmark using Elixir, pure Elixir. This run. Please wait 30 minutes. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Compile. This compile. Okay, stage is 8. This use flow. 8 stage. Please wait. Very expensive benchmark. Okay. 36, about 37 seconds. Okay. Next, this is use GPU. Okay. What time this is it? Comparing, and 4 seconds. And thank you. And CPU with SIMD instruction. Okay, compile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 seconds. Okay. Why CPU is faster than GPU? Data transfer is too much expensive between CPU and GPU. So, okay? No. Port type code of Hastega is available at here. Branch is range. Okay? Photo time. Okay? Photo time. Okay. Please wait. Okay. Photo time. Okay. At 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. Okay? Inside of Hastega is Hastega has 2 subsystems, SunMag and Magicite, each code name from Final Fantasy. SunMag is a meta-programming library. Thank you, Jose. Okay, thank you, Jose. Magicite is an Elixir LLVM binding by a NIF in Rassler. Okay. the code viewing is cut. Roadmap to implement. Firstly, Hastega will support Intel architecture CPU using SIMD instructions, but not only a single core. Next, it will support GPUs, include AMD and NVIDIA, which support OpenCL, implemented by messaging. Okay, messaging. And supporting multi-core processing in Hastega may be a little difficult. So this is pass. I'm also interested in implementing to support Metal and CUDA to realize highly efficiency, and in load balancing CPUs and GPUs to make programming Hastega easier. And in future, I want to implement not only server-side computing, but also edge computing and web clients. So for web clients, JavaScript, WebAssembly, WebGL, and WebGPU is generated from Elixir. We'll create the new world, the paradise of all of engineers. Our mission is to establish the technology, including Elixir, to prevent us from dystopia. For all people, happiness. Do you want to get power of Hastega now? Yeah? Yeah. I'm sorry, but the first practical use version of Hastega will be released before summer. Thank you. Conclusion. We would call the programming style using enum map the Elixir Zen style. We should use Hastega to make the Elixir Zen styled code to be transformed native code. Hastega will be released before summer. Our adventure of Samurai, Zen, and Wabi-Sabi continues. I'll be back to share new research results. One more thing. Our other samurais have released more Elixir products, Materia and Esna. Materia and Esna will be released from Carabina. Carabina are developing systems with Elixir, Phoenix, and others. Follow Fukuoka EX. You can join us every month via online. Okay? Photo okay? Photo okay? We'll be back. Thank you.